side. I have thrown it into the wind, and now, yeah, I got a bit attentive. Back. Shit. Camera crew, are you okay?
Yeah.
It has a panic button, which stops it immediately. But as you will see, it's a bit difficult for my brain to talk in English and control the helicopter. But it doesn't do damage to the surroundings and to the living creatures, as my beautiful wife. And now we will see that actually it flies as if nothing has gone wrong. Esse não fica assim de dois. Não vou prometer. Interested about it.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can turn it. Yeah, this looks nice, no? Looks nice. Now let's try it on the other side. But as the wind is coming from that direction, it's a bit harder. So I did 2 circles.